welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. If you are new, my name is Natalie Minassian. I am a junior at the University of North Texas, majoring in accounting, and today it's Thursday, February 13th. It's currently 9:03. I left my house like 10 minutes ago and I'm already on campus. It's really cold today, like super cold. It's like, I think the high is like 42 today, and it's cloudy. It's like cloudy every single time I vlog, but whatever. I have two classes today. I have business law and then intermediate accounting 2, and I have an exam in my business law class at 9:30 that I was staying up late last night studying for. I also had an exam on Tuesday that I already took, and this morning I woke up around 7:30. I didn't go to bed till midnight last night, but I'm not super tired. I don't think it's hit me yet, but I have my coffee right here, and I made my lunch today, packed some snacks, and I'm not driving my car. I'm driving a rental car because a little update or story time, if you want to say, before I start walking to campus. On Monday, this is why I haven't vlogged the past couple days, but on Monday I got into a car accident on my way to campus, and it wasn't my fault, but it was a hit and run. So he T-boned me and then left, and I called the cops, and an hour later the guy showed up and was like, I'm like, sorry, I don't have insurance or whatever, but so my car is not drivable, so it had to be towed, and I missed class that day, or 2 classes if you want to say. I missed 2 classes that day, and I ended up going to the ER to make sure everything was okay, because I was sore after the accident and I was just like in total shock. And I want to say, like, all I did after that was just like want to sleep. I was completely out of it. My body was like in shock, and I think I was just really kind of scared because it all happened so fast. But luckily, like, I'm not injured or anything, and it just like was what it was, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't worse or anything, which thank God. But yeah, so that kind of shook me up this week, and I'm driving my rental car. My car is probably not going to be fixed for a while, and I miss my car. Like, I love my car, but it's fine. So yeah, that's a little update, but I'm okay. I'm good. What's really annoying though is on Monday I emailed my 2 professors that I was missing class for, and like they were totally understanding because that was a serious situation. But then I also emailed one professor, which I had his exam on Tuesday, and I emailed him and I was like telling him that I got into a car accident, whatever. I even sent him the ER note and tried to see if he can postpone my exam like a couple days, since I was on muscle relaxer and things like that. It's just, I think it was a serious enough situation for me to be able to take the test another day. But he said no, and he said that's the reason why I dropped the lowest exam grade. And I was like, okay, like I understand that, but it's not fair to like force me to take an exam after a serious situation, and after the ER nurse told me that I need to like rest, and that it's best that I take the exam when I'm actually like at my best performance, rather than being on muscle relaxers and like anti-inflammatory medication and taking the exam and not performing well. Like, I don't think that's fair. Like, I'm the one, me and my parents are the one paying for the class, not him. So I think it's fair that I actually take the exam in the best performance that I can, rather than being forced to take it. I was really sleepy kind of while taking the exam, but whatever. That's like the only thing that irritated me, was that he wasn't really understanding about it. I don't know, whatever. I still love that professor though. In reality, like, he's really cool, but I just figured he'd be more understanding in that type of situation. So I'm not done with that situation. I'm actually getting that fixed behind closed doors. I don't really want to talk about it too much on camera, but basically I kind of emailed the highest person in the business school and expressed my concern, and so I'm meeting with him later. And yes, so that's a little update. I talked for like 6 minutes. I might cut some of this out, not sure yet, but I am actually going to start walking to campus to take my exam. Hopefully I do well. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll post my social media right here for you guys, and I will check in with you guys later.
Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. I'm a fool, yeah, I gone love blind, and ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby.
I'm just checking in with you. It's currently 2:30 and I got out of my last class at 12:30, and I've just been working on some reading for accounting because whatever we learned in class today kind of like blew my mind, and it's something that I really need to make sure I understand and grasp the actual logic and concept behind it. So I've been reading the chapter 16, and just kind of like slowly going through and making sure I understand it. I still don't fully understand it, but I'm meeting with someone at 3 o'clock, and I went ahead and picked up my resume and got it graded. People are staring at me. What's new? But I ate lunch and I finished my coffee, and I'm thinking about getting my nails done after the meeting I have. It's not like a serious meeting, but so I have my resume right here. It's graded, and so far like it's good. It's just like minor little errors I need to kind of fix. So while I'm sitting here waiting, I also forgot to mention that I went ahead and finished my quiz for my management organizational behavior class, and it's due on Saturday, but I went ahead and just did it just because I had the time to do it, and now I'm still currently waiting until my meeting. Hi guys, so it's 3 o'clock. I got done with the meeting a little early. It didn't really take long. Basically just came to an understanding, and like it's all cool, even though I'm still kind of salty about the situation, but it's fine. Like the professor said I'm a good student and he knows I'll be okay towards the end of the semester in the class, so like I'm not worried about it. Like what it is, I can't change it, so we're just gonna deal with it and move on with the rest of the semester. and it's sunny outside, but it's still really cold. I'm just glad the sun is out. But I'm walking to my car right now, and I think I'm gonna run home first before I get my nails done, because I also need to call the nail place and see if my nail lady is there and if she's available. So I'm gonna call and make sure that I can go and get my nails done. What is going on with my hair? But yeah, they need to get done because they're kind of snagging on my scarf and hoodie and beanie and stuff, and I hate that feeling. Hey guys, it's currently 4 o'clock and I'm home right now laying in bed watching Chicago PD that we recorded from last night, and I'm currently watching it. Hold on, let me pause it. But I called the nail place and my nail lady is booked for the whole day today, and I went ahead and made an appointment for tomorrow morning instead since she's booked. So sadly, it won't be in this vlog. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see the color that I end up. I thought I paused this. I swear there's something wrong with my TV. Anyways, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see the color. Bro, I did pause it. Why does it keep on pausing? Anyways, like I was saying, again, if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the color I end up doing, because I always like post a picture when I get my nails done. But I don't really have anything else going on today. I'm really exhausted from everything that's happened this week. I've had a pretty rough week with like the accident and everything, and with the 2 exams this week, and I've just been like, I'm just exhausted. So I think I'm just gonna have a chill evening tonight and just relax and watch TV. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'll probably end up studying tomorrow. I have a midterm next Wednesday, so I will be studying this weekend for that. And I'm honestly just so out of it right now. But if I do end up doing anything exciting tonight, I'll be sure to vlog it. But for now, I'm just going to chill and watch TV.